the emergency cryptocurrency broadcast featuring Artie Lang live from the brand new $6.69 studio on April 13th, 2024, highlighted criminal gangsters and organized manipulation's impact on the market, causing a flash crash of 15 to 30% or greater. Bitcoin lost 8% in just 1 hour, while XRP and XLM suffered brutal beatings, plummeting more than 15%. As criminals and whales aggressively sold. The question looms, is another crypto winter and brutal bear market ahead? Or was this simply a move to liquidate weak hands and retail trades? Artie Lang and Jackie the Joke Man Martling urge viewers to subscribe to old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, hit the bell notification, smash the like button, and super chat to support the channel, ensuring the flow of truth and integrity.
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing emergency broadcast from the $6.69 gorgeous, beautiful, glowing, brand new studio just off of Blake Corum Championship Drive. This is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency breaking news emergency alert. Sound the alarm bells. The sellers have taken over the market. Bell notification, comment down below, subscribe, and share to stay out ahead of the market manipulation, the criminal gangsters that have infiltrated, orchestrated, and facilitated flawlessly a market dump just as we are entering the happening and dumping and unloading on the retail trader. 7.13% on Bitcoin, 13% on XLM, Algo 18.94%, HBAR 16.26%, XRP, 16.71%. Comment down below. Become a jabroni killer for $2.99 a month to help you fleece, heist, and shice and stay out ahead of the market manipulation that we're seeing here. AMP, and I dare you to find a better value of education and information and truth and integrity for $2.99 a month to support a channel. AMP, down 18%. Curve, Shiba Coin, and the rest of them are getting fleeced, heisted, and shisted by an orchestrated dump by the criminal gangsters and market manipulators. And that's what we're here on this beautiful 13th of April, 2024, on a gorgeous, surly spring summer blue skies with a few high cirrus clouds streaming in from the west and southwest with a gusty southwesterly wind at 20 to 25 miles per hour under that gorgeous sunny skies and a 73-degree temperature J in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. And getting on with this now, you can see the Bitcoins and the market has dumped. We are pacing, we are excited, and we've been talking about the topping out pattern. And like I've been saying, and in this topping out pattern, I did downsize my crypto in this to where I did take my profit in Algo. And I pretty much cashed out a lot of my crypto. So on this dump, my crypto portfolio did not lose any money because I made money in coins and then downsized as they were going down and only have very small positions left prior to entering this week after last week's finishing of the consolidating of my crypto holdings because I felt a dump was coming. I did still, and I've been 2,100 coins left in old XLM. A couple of $100 left in there. $200, you can see we're down 13% or $32 overall because we downsized our position massively from a 3,000 or 24,000 coin holding, and we got rid of most of our coins at about 13.5 cents. So we were up about 10%, and then some of it, we lost some of our profit, but we knew or thought we knew that a dump was coming. But we are still in the inverse of the BITI inverse of the long ETF. This is the short version of the ETF. I have had 225 shares and I bought them about 10 days ago. And you can see when I've showed you before, we were up some because it got to 837. Then we were down on the position because it got to 728. Then we were up on the position because it flirted with $8. Then we were down on the position because it went back to $7 and change. And then we were up slightly on the rally in the cryptos. I think before you can blink, you're going to go from $7.68 at the close on Friday to $12 to $13 into the middle of this green trading range, right? And that's what I'm playing, and that's what I'm looking at there. I think that's going to be a very good trade on a Bitcoin consolidation slash bear market potentially here. And the XLM price, something that we were talking about in the, we'll go to the 3-hour time frame, was this major double top rejection point at the 15 cents. And if we wanted to get bullish, we had to break above it and back test this and then hold it and shoot up for bullishness. Or when we were sitting here, if we broke this major 12.5 cents, we were going to have a big flush. And the most likely scenario that we came down to was the top part of this orange trading box, a la AKA last line of defense to the shithouse, right? And I don't know where that price is, why it's so far away. Last line of defense to the shithouse, and that's right here at about 7 7.75 cents. And that's what we were watching out for there. And you can see what actually happened. As soon as you slip this major support level, like we said, there was really no support. And we flushed 27% in the matter of about a day. A very, very big flush, very, very painful. And we could be coming back down to the 7 cents. And that would technically be a buy zone to accumulate at 7.5 cents, because that was major support or a bottom before we had the last bull pump, the last bull market, what accumulated into the Judge News that peaked in July of 2024. And we've been down ever since, right? And then if we slip that, we have a danger zone here, because you could fall back into that 3.5 cents or just over 3.5 cents, an area we've had a major target that didn't get fulfilled last year and then looked like it might have been by the wayside. But now we could be coming into some danger if we slip that and we come back here. Algo, we were up 160%. We bought it at 11 cents, 12 cents. We rode it all the way up. We had 5,800 shares. We were up 160%. $600 turned into like $1,800. And then we started selling a little bit right there. And then we sold pretty much the rest of it, besides about $300 of it right here. And we made about $650 after this dump right here from the stuff we had left. And now we did get rid of the rest of it in here. We have about $40 left, because I think this is coming down and it's going to give 100% of that gain back. And I think it's going to be sitting back here, at least at what I bought it initially. And if we do break that, we could slip that and come down to about 5 cents in algo. But that's something that we have to watch out for, because this is breaking some critical support. Or we could be looking at a left shoulder, now a nice head, a right shoulder that has a beautiful rebound and comes back up into this major upper resistance on a right shoulder, and then we collapse on itself. There's a few things we have to watch out for here. And the algo price, the XRP price did slip too, just like the Bitcoin price. Come here, buddy. The program director's talking. You can see the two things we talked about. If you wanted to get bullish, you had to break north. And if you wanted to be bearish, and it would slip very, very fast, if you slip this uptrend of this rising channel that we've been in, just like the Bitcoin price for the better part of a year and a half, if you slip this, you would come all the way down to 37 cents real quick. And if we zoom into a shorter time frame, you can see we came down and played this beautifully. Obviously, we didn't take the up road, so we're going to get rid of that. We'll just delete the uptrend up there. But if we were going to come down, you could have came down, held support, came back up and got rejected. But you can see here, we had an initial dump and we came straight through it. And now we're attempting probably a back test to come down to 37 cents. But you can see on the initial flush, we came all the way down to 41 cents. And on that 41 cent flush, from where it started to where it ended, it was a 24.37% dump, a significant dump, a crippling dump, and a dump that you can't get out of the way of. Once it starts happening, you have to beat it before. And now we're starting to get some of these consolidations. We're starting to get some of these uptrends and some of these retests that we're going to have to see, because when we come back up into here, if this gets rejected and then breaks down past that 41 cents, that's very, very bearish. If you're looking to get bullish again, you get back on top of this and hold it and try to fight back up into the upside. Like, subscribe, and share. It's been a volatile emergency alert type of day. Stick to your game plan. Hopefully you were not impacted or hurt too much, and or you've taken out some inverse ETFs to try to make some money if this bear market continues, or stay the course if this is just a quick dump to flush some guys out. And we're quickly, before you know it, sitting back up here at 66,621. But if you do slip this 62,000, that's a very, very, very dangerous level, because the next major